Where the four dead body were recovered. This is where the bodies. This is where they killed four of them.
Yes.
God have mercy. The cell was broken.
Yeah, they broke the cell. They set those detainees free.
They set them free. But three has been arrested back.
Yes.
They are supposed to be 6.
Yes.
This is the DPO's office.
This is DPO's office.
Imagine.
So the office address.
This is the DPO's office. This is where they dropped the explosives. These are the burnt vehicles. This is the DPO's vehicle.